Hello again. I'm attorney Ashley Sherrick, owner and founder of Sherrick Law Office. I'm back with another quick Q&A in our Ask Ashley series. Today's question is, how do I choose the best guardian for my children? You want to select someone who has a similar parenting philosophy and style on how they would discipline your children, that it's in line with what you believe. Their religion or spirituality decisions that they would make, you want those to be in line with your values too. It's really important to think through parenting philosophy style, discipline, educational choices, extracurricular activities, that those decisions that you really trust a potential guardian could make in light of what they know you would want. And to that extent, that you actually let them know ahead of time what you would want. It really goes a long way to help your guardian honor you and raise your children just how you would. We are talking about long-term guardianship. Who would actually raise your children? That's a separate question from short-term guardianship, which is what would happen in an emergency situation. But going back to the long-term piece, what I like to caution you about considering is assuming that the long-term guardian, if they have a lot of financial resources or that they're wealthy, just relying on the fact that they've got enough money to raise your children as a reason to choose them. I never suggest that financing in and of itself is the best reason to choose a guardian, because ideally, you would be leaving enough finances and support for your children to raise them and get them through high school and ultimately college and beyond, versus having someone else foot that money and be the ones to support your children financially. It's a totally separate decision in terms of what is the best way to handle finances for children and pay for their raising, versus who can really raise them as closely aligned with what you would want in terms of how they are being raised currently. This is the best way to choose a guardian. See you next week.